Hello and welcome to JavaScript tips and tricks. In this video, we will look at three powerful JavaScript features that you need to know. Tip number one, optional chaining. The optional chaining operator, which lets you safely access deeply nested object properties without worrying about errors. Here's an example. Here we have a user object. That's a profile object with a name. And here we try to console log out the user object using the optional chaining operator here. And it print out John because it's not null. Here, the address is null. And by using the optional chaining operator, it returns an undefined instead of throwing an error. Super handy when working with complex objects. The next tip is Nullish Coalescing. The Nullish Coalescing operator is similar to the OR operator, but it only checks for null or undefined. Here is an example of Nullish Coalescing operator. The operator returns the right-hand value only if the left-hand value is null or undefined. In this case, the null triggers the fallback to default value string. And in this case, 0 is not null or undefined, so it remains 0. This is useful for setting default values. The promise.allSettled method, which lets you handle multiple promises and returns the result of all, regardless of success or failure. Here is an example. In this example, I have a list containing two promises. One return a result of success, one return a reject of error. Promise or settle method. Return a promise that resolves after all input promises settle, either fulfilled or rejected. Each result contains a status, fulfill or reject, and the corresponding values or reason. This is perfect when you want to know the outcome of all promises without short-circuiting when one fails, like with promise all method. Please push like, subscribe, and make comment. Thank you and appreciate it for your time.